In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extension in Opera browser. Extensions can personalize your browsing, add shortcuts, and boost productivity, and the process to get them set up is quick once you know where to look. Start by opening the Opera browser on your computer. At the top right of the window, you'll see the extensions icon. It looks like a small box or puzzle piece. Click that icon to open the Quick Extensions menu. From here, choose Manage Extensions. This takes you to Opera's Extensions Management page, where you can see what's already installed and whether each one is turned on. On the Extensions page, look for the option labeled Get More Extensions. Click it to open the Opera add-ons store in a new tab. This is the official catalog where you can safely find and install extensions designed for Opera. In the store, you can either browse by category or use the search bar to find something specific. When you see an extension you want, click its card to open the details page. Here, you can read a short description, check ratings, and review the permissions it needs. If it looks good, click Enable in Opera. Opera will download and add the extension automatically. If you're prompted to confirm permissions, review them and proceed so the extension can work as intended. After installation, return to the Manage Extensions page to confirm the extension appears in your list and that its toggle is on. Many extensions add a small icon near the address bar. If you don't immediately see it, that's okay. The extension may run in the background, or it may only appear when it has something to show. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep an eye on permissions and only add extensions from sources you trust. If an extension misbehaves, come back to Manage Extensions to disable or remove it. And that's it. Your new Opera extension is ready to go.